Please pull down on your restraint bar and secure it firmly to your body. During your ride, please remain seated facing forward, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the ride at all times.
Platform clear, ride starting.
Let you know. A wonderful breeze. Yeah. It's about 88 degrees out today, and that's a nice breeze. Whoa! And we're not even halfway, I don't think. Woo! There's the sky. Whoa!
Oh my God.
Oh, whoa.
Oh my God. It's much scarier than it looks.
Yes, it is.
Woo!
For that 2 seconds when you're spinning, you got a good view.
Yeah.
And here comes the ground.
I think we're going to slow down one of these times, right?
I think that's it.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to wear your hat. Or your glasses.
No. I was like, maybe the glass wouldn't be too bad. I would have. They would have been on that side of the park.
Okay, now we're slow. That gives you the adrenaline. No.
That'd be a perfect one if you just did the water ride. Just
Yeah,
get your
yeah,
nice
dry
dry
off.
right off. Oh,
There's our locking system.
very cool.